Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain the Microsoft Word 2019. So let's start directly with that. So first thing, as we have explained before, we need to create a folder by our name in the E or D drive. So we need to find this PC like this. If you don't find it here, you can maybe find it here, or you can just search and just write here this PC and you can find it. So open this PC here, then we need to create a folder in D drive or E drive, not C. So for example, I will go to the E, any one of them. Now I am inside E drive here, so I can just go to the empty place, just a blank place, and then right click new and folder. In this folder I'm going to write my full name, so Osama, like this, and then open this folder. Inside it I will create a Word file, and then I can name it like answers or something like that. Now I finish, then I can just open the Word file. As you can see here, the Word file will be something like that. At the top, at the beginning here, we can, in the header, we just name it ribbon. In the ribbon we have file, we have tabs, home tab, insert, draw, and so on. Inside each tab we have like a group of commands. So here we have like a clipboard, here we have font group, here we have paragraph style, and so on. Inside each group or inside each category we have some commands, like here bold, and here all those called, or all those items inside the group called commands. We can use it. In the footer here you can see we have how many pages we have. We are now in the page number 1, and there are only 0 words, so there is nothing here. And here we can just make zoom on and zoom out and zoom in, so we can just make it 100 percentage in this way here. So now let's start with the file. The first tab here we have a file. In the file we have new. In the new we can find many templates here. If you have internet connection you can find whatever you want. So for example, I need to create the CV, so just try CV and enter. If you are connected with internet you can find many templates for the CV. So here I will select this one, then create, and just wait to download it and just use it like this here. So now I have the CV. I can use here, I can just change it. I can add my name here and add my surname, something like that. Here I can add my picture instead of this picture, and you can add all your information. So this is the first thing. Or you can just create in the new and create blank document. So we need to create just a blank document, so nothing inside it. This in the new. And of course we have many things, like for example I need to make like report about like food or something like that. So I can just use this one here, and very simple, you can see, just change the information, and this way you can create like a menu or like a poster for example, or whatever you want. Also in the we have open. So for example, I already have a file, I have created a file, a Word file, and I need to open it again. So just go to the open. After that you can go to the browse here and try to find the file. So for example, my file on the desktop, so go to the desktop and try to find if we have any files. So for example, I have this file here, and so on. Or the file may be in download, so you can go to the download. Or the file may be in the E drive or D drive, so go to the PC here and then go to the D drive, and after that you can try to find your file if you have any file. So now for example, I need to open file in the desktop, so I can just go to the desktop and then open this file by double click. Now I have opened this file here. This about open. Info also, we have some information, you can find it, but before that I will go to the save. So now we have created a file. As you can see, I have created a file here in the E drive and Osama folder, and I have created the file called answer. So when I just say save file and save, so now I have saved or stored the file in the same location with the same name and same information, same type. So you can just go here and save. I already created the file, so it will save it here. Or you can by the keyboard press Ctrl S, same thing, will save the file in this way. So now if I close the file, I can just a file here in the same place without any change. I just say save. Now what about save as? Now maybe I need to create a file to save the file in the D drive, not A drive. So now go to the save as here and then browse. After that you can change the location of the file. So instead of now the file in the E, I will just add it in the E. Instead of the E now, I will make it in the D, for example. So go to the D. So now I can change the location of the file. Also I can change the name of the file. So instead of answer, for example, I will name it like OS. Also you can change the type. So for example here, make it PDF if you want. So you can do whatever you want and then just save. That's it. Now I change the location of the file, I change the name of the file, and change the type of the file. Now if I go to the D drive, now I'm in the E. Now if I go to the D, I will find my file here, os.pdf now, not Word. So this is the different type. So now here about save and save as, we have information. In the information we can find all the information about the file, about the Word file, like how many pages, the size, the location, everything. And also we can protect our file. So for example, I will write something here, this file is secret, something like that, and then save, Control S. Now I saved the file. Then go to the information and then protect document. After that encrypt with password. Now if I click here, I can just add a password, for example 123, and OK again, 123, same time, the second time, and then OK. Now I have protect the file. Now if I close it here, save, then if I go to the file location, in the same location in the E drive, and Osama Muhammad here, and then open it again, as you can see we cannot open it without password. So now 123 and then OK. Now I can open the file again. If I go back to the information, for example, I need to delete the password, remove the password. So here just go to the info again, and then same thing, go to the protect document and then encrypt with password, and then just simply delete the password and say OK. That's it. Now file has been, or the password has been deleted or removed. So this about info, save as a print here. For example, if we have a printer and we want to print this page here or print this document here, so for example how many copies we need, for example I need 4 copies. Here I will select the printer or the scanner. For example I have printers, scanners and many things. So here I will select the printer that I want to use it. Here print all pages, or maybe I need to print from 1 to 3, or page number 1 and page number 6 and page number 8, just add a comma between them, so as you like. Or you can just say all pages, print in one side or both sides. Also here the orientation of the page, portrait, which means like a vertical page, or just landscape, it will be horizontal page, as you like. Also the size of the page, A4, A3, whatever you want. Add the margin, so you can change the specific margin used here. 1 page per sheet, so here in each paper I need to add 1 page or 2 pages, 3 pages, especially with the PowerPoint it will be useful here. So and after that you can just say print and it will print it. So this is everything about print. Share, if we have, like, you can share it with email, we can share it with the OneDrive in the cloud, as you like. Export, we can just convert it to the PDF, like save as PDF. And that's it, is the important in the file. And close, to close the file here, and then you can ensure save or don't save. For example, I need to save, I just say save. So this everything about the first tab, which is file tab. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.